Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to automatically empty the trash on your Mac. This feature is super useful if you want to keep your storage clean without having to manually delete files every time. Let's get started. First, open Finder. In the top left corner of your screen, click on Finder in the menu bar, and then select Settings. If you're on an older macOS version, this may appear as Preferences instead. A new window will open with several tabs. Click the Advanced tab. Here you'll see an option that says, Remove items from the bin after 30 days. Simply check this box. Once enabled, your Mac will automatically delete items that have been in the trash for more than 30 days. No extra steps needed. This helps free up storage space over time and keeps your system clutter-free without you having to remember to empty the trash manually. And that's it. You've successfully turned on automatic trash cleanup on your Mac. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future Mac tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.